Hello all. So in this videos, so first we have seen how the commerce degrees people, so who is having the degree, any degree in commerce can get into Oracle Finance, that is software. Be mechanical people, how they come into supply chain management Oracle. And all the degrees, computer degrees or any degree with the who knows SQL and PLSQL basics, how they can come into Oracle DB or Oracle Technical we have seen. Now we are going to see HRMS, human resource. See, many people don't have a human resource degree for working into human resource, but they know the facts. So for them, the easiest course is HCM. We call Cloud HCM now, Fusion in Oracle. Mainly MBA HR are people working with the experience of HR or recruitment. So you know the basics of HR. This is very much needed in market. So there is, we call HRMS, Human Resource Management System or Human Capital Management, the cloud. So what all we are going to study? There is a model called payroll, how they generate a payroll. There is a model called recruitment, how we recruit people. The same thing. Absence management, to note down all the absentees people, type of leave and everything. So if you know payroll, recruitment, absent, how to create a person. See, you recruit an employee, you create an employee. Very easy course is this. Create an employee, create a salary part, give him or everything. Whatever you maintain, whatever you visualize as an HR, you are creating in the system. You create all the payroll details, you create the recruitment details, his personal detail, and leaves, etc. Everything. So this is called HR. See, why it is paid lakhs of salary into Oracle, or you are going into next level C2C from a normal, because world level Oracle is there. In India, you have different system. US, you have a system. Dubai, you have a different HR system. What you know is the basic how to work on the basic HRMS module. So whenever you go to the other country or wherever you want to implement HRMS Oracle, the local people will guide you the local norms or local act according to it. So Oracle has a basic what we call localization, and that will help you. So everything in the Oracle you have to go one by one more. It is a normal course you want to study very casually. Okay. So anybody can go into here. It is the easiest one. And if you see Oracle HRMS has several modules into four categories. So you have a category called a human resource, talent management, workforce management, and payroll. This four category you will read for HRMS. And what are the other? You have, there are very small modules. It is very easy. Namely, it is payroll and human resources. This is the main subject you are going to read. Okay. So it is like core HRMS, compliant HR, workflows management, onboarding. It is a split of the HRMS work, HR work. Okay. So this is how you learn the Oracle HRMS. So who is working in a non-IT is an HR, small firm or big firm, you know many things, how to recruit or something. It is a good thing you can learn into Oracle, and you will have a good idea how to implement in the Oracle into the system. So it is good you have to switch right now to move into the software. And your career change is very good here. Many companies in India or abroad is there. Even in India, you have many startups. They will recruit you for internship or training, and very quickly you can go into the project, and you can earn in lakhs or whatever you want to go into software. You want a long term on site. You want to settle, so your dreams will come true. So this is called Oracle HCM module. Okay. So basically, we divided finance degrees, computers, engineering. This is HRs, common. See, like I said, anyone can study anything and go. thing is you have to know.